Hello everyone, thank you for joining me. My name is Josie. Today we will be learning about how to use the tool Persuasion Map, and this is by Read, Write, Think. I will talk you through the process of getting a map started and what you could use this for. When writing, sometimes we have to write to persuade someone to believe your thoughts or reasonings. And this map helps to break down the process to make sure that you have evidence and reasoning to back up your thoughts and make your reasonings convincing. First, we're going to log on to the website or use a link that's provided. And I'm already here, so you don't have to worry about that. So when I walk you through, you can just follow along. The second step is to add a name and title. So my name is Josie, so I would type Josie. And our title for this is going to be Phones in School. And you could have different reasonings for, or a debate on why you think phones should be allowed in school or why you think phones should not be allowed in school. So that's really up to you. And it's just a persuasion idea that I came up with. So then we're going to click on the Get Started, and that's in the bottom right corner. So go ahead and we would press it. Get started. Now it brings you through to a thesis page where it gives you the definition up top. Where you would write your thesis is right here. So you would write, I believe that yada yada yada, here and there. I'm just going to delete that because that looks awful, but that's where you would write that. And your teacher or whoever would tell you what you need to put in your thesis to make it more powerful and meaningful. The next step, and here actually is a little map, and it shows you where you are on the persuasion map. So right now we're in the thesis area. Next we're going to go to, I believe, the reasons 1, 2, and 3. So I'm going to click the down arrow, and here are the reason boxes. So phone should be allowed in school. You know, you'd write a little bit, reason 1, reason 2, and reason 3. Oh, it almost looks the same as reason 2. And then you can go down a down arrow to your evidence and your facts to back up your reasoning. Again, it gives you the definition of kind of what you should put in your main reasons so that you have a little bit of a backup and I don't know what I'm trying to say. Then you can click on your arrow and go to your facts and examples. You can go back up to get to the reasons again, or you can click on these boxes over here and it'll take you to each spot. After you have everything completed and filled out, you can then go to your conclusion to why you think phones should be allowed in school or why you want them to be, or whatever your topic is about. Again, it gives you a little snippet of what a conclusion is, and you can click the finish button, which is in the bottom right corner again, after you're all done, and you are able to print it off, save a final, share a final, and this is what it would look like. It would be all filled out and pretty for why you think phones should be allowed in school or your topic of choice. And this can be used with literacy, it can be used with debates in social studies, and probably definitely even actually science, when you're trying to prove a lab that you've been doing or why you think the outcome will be a certain way. So I mean, there's many different subject areas that you can use this for, and it's a very helpful tool. Thank you for joining me, and you can create a new map if you want to, or hit the back button to go back. Thank you again for joining me.